Hi! In front of me is TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app. It should be in Tools folder. After that, tap on Alarm section at the bottom left corner if it's not already on, and select this plus icon. Then set tap an hour at the top. When you finished, click on Repeat and tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. In my case, Mondays and Fridays. To save your changes, tap on OK in the pop-up. Then select Label. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and hit OK. Now tap on Ringtone section. Over here, by selecting Add New at the top, you can pick a song from your device by tapping on it and go back. You can also just select one of those sounds instead. I will go with Beautiful Day. Wherever you decide to do, tap on the back button when you're ready and tap on Snooze section. Now select how many minutes your snooze will take. I will go with 15. Last but not least, tap on this blue switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to disable or enable haptic feedback for your alarm. To save it, select this check mark at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can always switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it. Then turn it back on the same way. In order to make some changes, click on your alarm, change whatever you wish to, and tap on the same check mark. To delete your alarm though, click on it as well. But this time tap on Delete option at the bottom. And as you can see, after that my alarm was removed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!